Good afternoon and welcome back to Farming with Faith channel. Shaney Farms Excavation. Well, as you can hear and see, we're in the side-by-side. And yes, I mean we. So, it's me and the boy. Me and the boy are out farming today. We are taking soil tests in between the rain showers. And with the side-by-side, we're able to get over the fields and over the, drive over the fields without it making a mess. Stay tuned for more. Thank you to all who have viewed, liked, and subscribed to my channel thus far. Stay tuned for more, as we have a pretty good sized bobcat job, driveway renovation job that I've done. We're just waiting on 811 to come out and mark the phone lines. The electric company has called me and said we're good to go, but we gotta get the phone lines marked. So anyway, yeah. So, yeah, hold on. So, we are out today taking soil tests. Find your spot, twist it down. Keep twisting. There you go. You gotta push. Here. Hold on. Here, hold on. Let me set you right there. Okay? Alright, want to help me? Alright, come on. We gotta go in to approximately right there.
Yeah.
Alright, now it's on the front part. Alright, let Daddy pull it up. Yay!
Yes.
Yay! See that right there? Alright, come on, buddy. More to go. And then we just take this and push it off, put it in the bucket, and here in a couple days, when I did the other farm soil testing, I'll go to the extension office and I'll mix all this one from this farm and put it into one bag. And then the farm I have leased for this year and next year, I'll take soil test down there and mix and put it in one bag, and we'll send it to UT. So they to be working, figuring out what we need exactly for hopefully a bumper crop again. And with that being said, while we're busy doing bobcat jobs. Now what? I'll bucket you up. So anyway, as you can see, the winter wheat has drained up the fields, and me and the boy are out farming today. So y'all, thank you to all who have viewed, liked, and subscribed. We're gonna finish taking a soil test up here on this field and go in before the rain drenches us. So, can you wave bye? Bye. Bye. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.